Hello, in today's video, I'll show you how to create no-go zones and virtual walls on your map in the ROBOROCK app for Saros Z70. In order to do it, you'll need to click on the map editing button. Then go to no-go zones, and now you can click create an invisible wall or a no-go zone. A no-go zone is basically a rectangle that you can create and the robot won't enter it. That's great for areas that contain obstacles that you aren't going to remove, and you don't want the robot to get stuck in there, or you just don't want the robot to touch some certain area for any other reason. And invisible walls are basically lines that can't be crossed by the robot. So I'll remove the current ones that I have, and let's do no-go zone. I can now resize it. I could also rotate it and place it wherever I want. Then the invisible wall can also be created and the robot won't cross it. And that's basically it. I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.